Very important when a customer lands on your shop, he or she understands what your shop is about and what's your specialty. So for instance, if the black soap is your specialty, then black soap should be in the first sentence of your shop description. Okay. It should be in at least once a week marketed on your social media. If your specialty is custom clothing, then when I land on your shop, the first thing that I have to know is that you make custom clothes. And for that, you can, for instance, rearrange, you can manually sort the products on your shop. So, and I took a look at your shop and I see matching outfits, which kind of indicate that you make custom clothing. But I also see ready to wear. I also see fabrics. It's completely fine that you sell all of different stuff, but I would strongly recommend that you have emphasis on something. So if custom clothing is what brings you the more customers and money and is what you're best at, then I would definitely put the matching outfits in the top rows, maybe just below that, the fabrics, so that people can understand that they can pick any fabric to make the outfits. And I would definitely, in the shop description, instead of saying welcome to our shop and what we do there, just say we are the top designers at making custom clothing for weddings, for ceremonies and special occasions. First sentence, so that whenever, because people read less and less. People just look at the pictures now, they look at the logos, look at the price. And if the combination of everything strikes their imagination, then they will start reading more carefully. But it's more and more rare to have a customer just come to a shop and read all the information before looking at the product. We've seen that in a completely different way. We used to advertise a lot. We had like some humanitarian brands. I don't really know how to say, but if you buy this, it will go to an orphanage, it will go to a good cause and something. People really don't care about it. They never read it. If the product fits, if the product, they like it, then they will buy it. And then after buying it, they will read and see that it goes to a charity, but they will never purchase because it goes to a charity. Not online. Maybe in real life, yes, because you can engage discussion more easily. But online, the first thing that people look at is the visual, the product. Then they read, but first is the visual. So you have to convey an impression when people land on your shop of this is what I'm good at and this is the best service that I can sell you is this. I have great black soap. I have great fabrics and dresses. I have unique fabrics from South Africa that nobody else has, at least not on this website. And so that's how you can get value from my shop.